Hi there! Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to renew the Automated Device Enrollment Service token within Jamf Now using Apple Business. After logging into Jamf Now, click Auto Enrollment in the sidebar. In the Apple Business section, take a moment to note the name of the Apple account and MDM server. This will help us make sure we renew the correct service token in Apple Business. When ready, click Renew. Here we find a list of instructions on how to renew our service token with Apple Business. Click Open Apple Business, and a new tab opens in our browser. Click Sign In and log in with the associated Apple account. Once logged in, click Devices along the top, and then click Management Services. Find and click on the name of your device management service, or MDM server, in the list. Click on the ellipsis, or three-dot menu bar, in the top right, and then click Download Token. A warning appears letting us know that downloading a new token will reset our existing one, which is okay since we're in the process of uploading a new one. Click Download Token to confirm the download, and then go back to Jamf Now. With those steps completed on this page, click Next on the bottom right. Click Browse and choose the service token file we just downloaded. Click Upload to confirm the selection, and that's it! We know the token was successfully renewed because the new expiration date is 1 year from today. Thanks for watching.